Here's a new 2018 Ford F-150. This truck was built to tough it out and tested to make sure it's up to every challenge. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: twin-turbo V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, active grille shutters, AM/FM stereo radio, easy lift and lower tailgate, manual tilting steering column, front tow hooks, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.